iPhone 5 Front Glass Assembly Repair. Warning: this repair will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. On a level scale, this is a fairly easy repair, and it will take about 30 minutes to complete. To perform this repair, you will need 00 Phillips Screwdriver, 5-point Pentalobe screwdriver, Spudger, suction cap, Tweezers. Optional, we recommend using Magmat and Icesimo for all your repair needs. To see Magmat and Icesimo in action, see our Magmat and Icesimo video. All these products and tools can be purchased at iPhoneRepairMiamiBeach.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. Turn off your iPhone. Remove the two bottom screws next to the dock connector. Place a suction cup next to the home button and pull the glass assembly away from the back housing. Use Spudger if you are having problems separating the front glass assembly from the back housing. The glass assembly is still connected to the iPhone by several cables, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws securing the metal cover to the motherboard. Use Spudger to disconnect LCD, digitizer, and proximity flex cables. Remove the 2 Phillips screws securing ear speaker bracket to the display assembly. Remove the ear speaker. Gently pry the front camera, proximity, and microphone flex cable away from the display assembly. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws securing a home button bracket in place. Peel the home flex off the front display assembly. Remove the home button. Remove the following 6 Phillips screws securing LCD shield to the front display assembly. To reassemble your device, follow the steps in reverse order. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure you take a look at our other tutorial videos.